Hi everybody. I thought I'd make a video for this step of D, diffuse. That's today's daily dare. And I thought it would just be easier to post as a video instead of all the text that I usually put in. So just to back up for a second, remember when we're talking about anxiety, most of you are familiar with my little paper right here. We're not doing anything about these things. That's what gets us stuck to begin with. We are not trying to get rid of thoughts, control sensations, feelings, figure them out. These are just all different forms of human discomfort. Okay? This is not anxiety. Anxiety lives here. Okay? Anxiety lives here in the fight of these things. Because we are not fighting danger. I didn't put bees and scorpions and lions and tigers here. Because when we fight real danger, our body is sending us energy to fight real danger. That's perfect. That's what we want. But what's happening is these are not danger. These are all forms of different types of discomfort. And then we're fighting them, fighting thoughts the same way we're fighting tigers and we're fighting lions. Anxiety lives in the fight. So your body is sending you all this energy to fight things that are not to be fought. So the more you fight, the more your alarm shows you what you're trying to get rid of. So that's why, if you haven't noticed, the more you try and get rid of certain thoughts, the more you find those thoughts. The more you're trying to get rid of a physical sensation, the more tuned in you are to that physical sensation all day to see if it's gone. So diffuse. Back to the first step. When we diffuse, you're not focusing on this, you're focusing on this. It's the dare response, how you're responding to this type of discomfort. Okay? So you're not diminishing the feeling of, you're diffusing the fight of. Okay? This is what you're diffusing, not this. Thoughts can still be there. Physical sensations, feelings, emotions, what if, memories. These can all still be here. You're diffusing the fight of. Okay? So I use the word just a lot. Okay? And I also use the word differentiate. So when your alarm starts ringing and it's showing you something, it says, Michelle, look at that. Go right ahead and look at it. Is it danger? You're going to differentiate between danger and discomfort. Okay? Are you in danger right this very second? Is there fire? Are there bees? Or does it feel like bees? Are you having a thought you don't like? Are you thinking of danger? Are you remembering past danger? Whatever it is that's happening right now. If it's one of these things, okay, that's where you say, oh, that's not an actual dangerous situation right now. That's just a physical sensation. I am just feeling really uncomfortable right now. I'm just scared. Okay? So you're not diminishing. The diffuse is not geared towards the content of the thought. Right? You'll never like the content of the thought, like, oh, well, to the fact that I had this awful thought that I never want to happen. It's, oh, well, to the fact that I just had a thought of something that I don't like. That's it. Simple. Not easy, but it's simple. Your alarm is right here, your little protector, showing you something. So if you fight that thing, you show your alarm, that is danger, get out of here. Diffuse. Diffuse means I'm going to differentiate the difference between danger and discomfort. So my alarm rings and it shows me something and my response is, what are you showing me? Bees? Fire? Oh, no, that weird feeling here in my head? Oh, okay. Oh, nauseous? Okay. Oh, I'm really, really sad or I'm really scared. Yep. Yeah, I see that. That's just a feeling. That's not actual danger. So we don't have to fight that. Okay? Diffuse, the first step is to, again, it's to not fight. So let go of the fight of. That's just a thought. Even if it's a really awful thought that you really don't like. Just a thought, not danger. Okay? So that's D for dare. I hope this clarified things and I hope you found it helpful.